Let's go running in the rain.
Hello loves, welcome to the episode 2 of Grow My Daughter's Hair with me. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a fermented rice milk. So these are the ingredients you need: rice, you need milk or water, you need citrus fruit, be it orange or lemon or tangerine. So right now I'm using tangerine. So I'm gonna teach you 2 ways to make rice milk. So the first one is just wash the rice, the first wash, and then soak it with the milk or water. So right now I'm using my almond milk, 30 calories for this one. So I just pour in like 2 cups of almond milk into it and let it sit. I'm gonna soak it for about 4 hours before we transfer it into our container. So the second one is we're going to wash it too, but this time around we're going to scrub out. We're going to wash to make sure that all those till the water turns like milkish color. So I'm using purified water or bottled water because in my area the water here is super bad, so it causes damage to the hair. So that's the reason why you see me use the bottled water. So you have to scrub the rice very hard until you see the water from the rice changing. But I found out that the rice was too hard and I couldn't get exactly what I wanted, so I have to transfer it into my blender. But my blender didn't blend the rice. It just helps me to extract more of those proteins or make the rice change more. So that is exactly what it did. So when I transferred it to a blender, I blended it, and then with a little bit of milk. So I sieved it and transferred it into a pot. There I added the citrus peel, which is the tangerine peel, and I boiled it for like 5 to 10 minutes. So I then allowed it to cool. I transferred it into my container and I fermented it for like 7 days.
Let's go running in the rain. I've been there and back again. I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain. There you wash away the pain.
So right here, this is what the rice milk is looking like. So we're going to make our shampoo and conditioner right now. So what I did was I measured the rice milk and I transferred it into these 2 containers, and I make sure that what right here is the aloe vera juice, right? So I make sure that everything being added has its quantity, and I make sure that the quantity of the aloe vera juice and the rice water is 3 ounces. I added the shampoo into one of the containers and everything was like 6 ounces, and I added water, everything was like 8 ounces, and I shake them together. Everything needs to be in proportion. Why I'm diluting my daughter's shampoo is because regardless of they wrote it kids on it, I feel like some of them need to be diluted, and meanwhile that saves you a lot of product too. And as you can see, you don't know if your daughter or your child has sensitive scalp, so you just have to be careful with what you add to their hair. So that is the reason why I'm diluting it, and it's with all this product. Now, welcome to Chima's hair wash day. Now, these are the important things you need. You see this head shower, whatever, I don't know what it's called, but I'm going to put the name on the description box so that you can go check it out on Amazon. It's super needed for your toddlers hair wash day. Okay, why? My daughter hates water pouring on her face whenever I'm bathing her, so I definitely needed this. This is going to stop water from splashing over her face so that she will not be super she will not cry, or she will not be rejecting whatever I'm doing to her. So it's needed. Now, you saw the shampoo and conditioner we already created earlier on, and I needed a comb. I need a better comb for detangling, but anywho's, we got to do what we got to do. So I'm fixing it on Chima's hair, and I also show you the length of Chima's hair. I will put the what Chima's hair used to look like before and now. So you can see I put it there so that you could see that the water is not touching her face. It could just run down the side, but it's not touching her face, and she's just doing her thing, and it's not doing anything to her. So first thing I did was to run a clean water on her hair. And excuse us, my son always feels neglected whenever I'm always paying more attention to his sister. So we had to join him in our wash routine. So hair wash routine, okay, please don't mind him. I'll be touching his head too, because men too need, they need care. So what I did was to run warm water on her hair, just to open up the scalp, and then I have to start adding all this the shampoo, the mist shampoo, into her scalp. Now guys, look at why I said that your daughter's shampoo needed to be diluted. Now look at all those foams, right? Look at all those foams coming out of that shampoo. So you don't even need so much, to apply so much, so that her scalp will be clean, right? So I just used this product and I massaged, I washed her, making sure that I cleaned up her scalp really good. Okay, now I'm also doing the same thing to her brother, just to balance the equation, right? So for some of you who doesn't know, I have twin babies, a boy and a girl. The boy's name is Chino and the girl's name is Chima. Chino meaning God is with me, and Chima means God knows me. So Chino and Chima. So right now I am going to wash off the shampoo out of her hair, and I'm using the water. You can see me getting water out of the red bowl. That water is purified water. It's not the regular water from the tap. So I'm just using it. It's like lukewarm, and I'm running it through her hair, so that Chima will not have the same problem I had when I came to the US, especially this Midland, Texas, where we live. So this is how we're going to be doing it, to wash up all the shampoo, making sure I made sure that I washed out all the shampoos on her hair. So the next thing I did was to apply the conditioner on her hair, and I let the conditioner sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before I washed it out of her hair. Why? Because it has rice water in it, it has aloe vera, all those nutrients need to sit in it, sit right where and do their job before washing it out. And I used that opportunity to also detangle her hair, and made her hair, just to detangle her hair. That way the conditioner went in and did its work, and it wasn't doing it didn't make her to scream when I was combing it out, even with that little comb I used, right? And it was so easy. So if you want your daughter's hair to grow, please, I would recommend you to get a better comb. Don't use this, or you could also do the same technique I did by letting this shampoo sit on your daughter's hair for a long time. Okay.
Let's go running in the rain. I've been there and back again. love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain.
So after I might have finished washing Chima's hair with the conditioner, I went ahead and I poured some of the fermented rice milk on her hair, and I left it for some time. And then once I have left it for like 10 to 5 minutes for them. I bathed them and all that stuff. So I decided to put Chima's hair in braids. Okay, that would help me to manage the hair whenever I want to braid her hair. So I divided the hair into so many into like 8 portions, and as you can see, the hair is squeaky clean and everything is looking better. Okay, everything was okay. And after putting the hair in a little braids, I had to pour in some cold rinse. I gave her a cold rinse. I don't usually do all this stuff every time. I make sure I do it at least once in a month, but I wash her hair whenever I take it out, like 2 weeks or 3 weeks I take out her hair. All these rituals is not something I do all the time. Okay, so you can do this ritual on yourself, on your daughter's hair, once a month, like I said earlier on. The basic things whenever I want to wash her hair basically is just to use the mixed rice water and the aloe vera juice water, shampoo and conditioner on her hair, and then I just take her out of the shower, out of the bath and all that stuff. So this is the end of our hair wash day routine. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being patient with us. Okay, we do love you. This is the episode 2 or series 2 of Grow Up My Daughter's Hair with me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you are watching our video and not subscribing, we are watching you. Okay, thank you guys so much for being here with me. I do love you guys and I appreciate you. Until next time, bye.
Let's go running in the rain.